Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. This video is very important for the candidates who are targeting All India quota seat. Okay, because due to the change in the rule where there will be 4 rounds now instead of 2 rounds, so the seats which used to get reverted to the states, those seats will be still with All India quota and you can get advantage in the terms of positive shift in the cutoff rank if you attend mop-up round and stay vacancy round. So I have already discussed how much shift it will be taking, but in this video I'm going to give you expected cutoff rank branch wise. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe the channel, click on the bell button, and like the video. You can share the video, and you can also avail paid counseling guidance from NEET Mentor team, so that you can get best college in your rank and best branch. And there is any doubt that you have in mind, so after availing the paid counseling guidance, the team will be guiding you in such a way you get the optimum result. Until the seat is allotted to you, the guidance will continue. You can call us on 9319128677. We are available over WhatsApp as well on the same number. In the description you can find some important ebooks. You can download those as well, and you can join our Telegram group as well. So let's get started. Most of the clinical branch I have covered. So talking about radio diagnosis, and this is for general category candidates. Okay, and considering the fact that there is no reservation going to get implemented from this year, and there will be 4 rounds, so how the 4 rounds rule change is going to impact or going to benefit positive way to general category candidates. So radio you can expect to get through All India quota up to stay vacancy round, up to the last round, up to rank of 3500. Dermatology is expected up to rank of 4100, whereas general medicine is expected up to 5600. So those candidates who are coming from small states like Tripura, Assam, those candidates will definitely get a better opportunity to get admission into good government colleges. And those candidates who come from high merit state like Rajasthan, Delhi, Kerala, and all such states, they will also get benefited. Pediatrics branch will be available up to 6700 rank. Obs and gynae up to 10700. It's all just my based on our analysis, based on total number of seats reverted last time, branch wise, and how it's going to impact positively. TB and chest pulmonary medicine may be available up to the rank of 9300. Orthopedics is expected to be gettable up to rank of 9800. General surgery up to rank of 11800 up to 12000, you can say. Ophthalmology up to rank of 14300. So there will be less number of shift rank wise in upper clinical and more shift rank wise in lower clinical. So percentage will be more or less same. So you could see, if you compare last time cutoff and this is expected cutoff, as you see now in ENT, anesthesia, ophthalmology, you will see that there is difference of like 3000, 4000, 2500 such. But if you take a look at radio, general medicine and all, so up to 1000 or 700, 800 difference you could see from last year cutoff. ENT will be available up to rank of 17500. Anesthesia is gettable up to rank of 24000. It all depends on total number of seats got reverted last year as well. So psychiatry medicine you can expect up to rank of 15300. Radiotherapy up to rank of 20500. Emergency medicine up to rank of 8200. Nuclear medicine, there is less number of seats, so there will be less shift up to rank of 3600, pathology up to rank of 34,500. So that will be last paraclinical branch up to 34,500. Now let's quickly talk how it's going to impact positively on DNB cutoff. So in case this seat got reverted as per last year, then people would have only option in round 3 or round 4 to take admission. Those who are not able to afford deemed university seat or private medical college seat through state counseling, they would target DNB. So now since they got some good number of seats in all India quota, so there will be definitely positive shift in DNB as well. I will be creating DNB expected cutoff in next video. Okay, until then this is my analysis, and if you want to avail our paid service so that step by step guidance is given to you, you can call us on this number 9319128607. So that's it from my side in this video. We will meet again, and the next video will be on expected cutoff for DNB. Until then, goodbye and take care.